The AMVETS One tour is coming to Chico and Redding next week, raising awareness about veteran suicide and mental health awareness. And joining us now with details, AMVETS District Commander Carlos Castle and also past AMVETS Department Commander Ross Smith with the AMVETS tour. Thank you both for being with us today.
Awesome. We're so happy to be here. Thank you.
Now, when we talk about this tour, we're talking about a big old bus. It's really well decorated, like you can't miss it. But what's going to be happening when we talk about this tour coming in Northern California?
Thank you so much, Linda. AMVETS One was brought forth by 3 veterans, Commanders Roybal, Lukens, and myself, to remove stigma that surrounds mental health issues. In this country, so many people think that they have to keep their feelings inside of them. We choose to go out and say, it is okay to not be okay. What's more important than that is to talk openly about what we're feeling inside. This advocacy is not just for veterans only. The suicide rate in this country has exponentially climbed since the pandemic. That needs to stop. We need to find a way where people can break down their own barriers, come to us, tell us what's going on so we can move them in the proper direction and get them the blessed help that they need.
And again, while I know veteran suicide rates are totally not okay because they are so high, this is, like you said, Carlos, right, for everybody. If you want to come out and talk and see what's being done, maybe get some ideas on what to do if you know someone or you yourself are having a problem.
And so the Golden State Tour is coming to Chico's Elks Lodge at the 1705 Manzanita, and we'll have the VA out there as well as the American Legion, DAV, VFW. We're all working to bring down this barrier and start talking. I mean, we need to open up.
Yeah, and this is all happening November 11th. Chico Elks Lodge at 3, and then the Northern California Veterans Cemetery earlier in the day, right? 11 o'clock?
That is correct, Linda.
Okay.
So the bus will arrive in Redding, and they have been doing this service for 15 years on Veterans Day. And we've been blessed to ask and speak, so I will be keynoting at the cemetery, but the motor coach will be there at 9:30.
Okay.
And the reason for that is we want to give out resources. We want to be able to have the chance to talk to people in person and feel what they're feeling.
Well, I want to thank you, gentlemen, but I know we could talk a lot longer. We're out of time today, but thank you for being with us.
I want to give you one of those.
A wristband, AMVETS
Crisis
22,
line number, Linda.
every day with the crisis line number.
988.
All right,
Press
and
1.
988 press 1. Now we do have a link to where you can learn more at actionnewsnow.com. Just click on